Hello, in this video, I want to install Ansible. Ansible is a configuration management tool that DevOps engineer use. So I want to install Ansible on an EC2 instance that is running on AWS. So the first thing I need to do is to create the EC2 instance. So I'm going to click on EC2 and then I will come to launch instance and I'll just put Ansible 1 host. So then I'll choose Ubuntu for my operating system, and then um, I'll use the Ubuntu. Yeah, I use the for the instance type. I'll use T2 Micro, which is under the free tier, and I'll create a new KPI. I'll call it Ansible one key, Ansible one dash K. Create a new KPI. I'm going to save it here. So I'm going to save it under this folder. I want to save it under this folder called AWS. So we'll just save here. Then I'll come back to, okay, I'll just click on launch instance. Launch instance. So once my instance is created, I'll connect remotely to the instance via git bash. So this is the instance, Ansible host one, right? So I'll click on connect. Then I'm just going to use this, just going to copy this command here, right? So let me come to git bash. So I'm currently inside this folder. This is the folder where the key is. So if you look at here now, the key is not there, right? So, but if I do ls now, because I just created a key, so this is the key now, right? The key is inside because I saved it inside here. So I have to be inside this folder or directory for me to be able to connect remotely to the EC2 instance. So I need to come back here to copy that command again. So I'm going to copy it again, and then I'll paste. Then I'll click on enter. Yes. Okay, so I'm currently connected to the EC2 instance. So that's the um that's the I that's the I think that should be the public IP address. Oh, check. Let me check. Public IP address. No, that's the private IP address. That's the private IP address. So let me clear. Okay. So so now the next thing I want to do is to install Ansible, right? So to install Ansible, I need the one can follow this documentation. And if you look at this documentation, something I saw here. So no. So install Ansible, installing and upgrading Ansible with pip, right? So I need to ensure that Python is installed and also pip is installed. So let me come back to my git bash, right? And then I'll check Python 3 version. So Python is there. So let me check pip version. Pip is not there. So I need to install pip. So I'll use sudo apt install should be Python pip. Okay. So let me do Python sudo apt install Python 3. Okay. As an installation candidate. Let me do sudo apt install pip. Let me just do pip. Okay, unable to locate the package pip. Sudo yum. But this is a Ubuntu. You're not found. Okay. Let me see. Unable to locate package pip. Python pip is not available, but is referred to another. This may mean that the package is missing. Obsolete. Okay, let me copy this and paste. Save. Okay, so let me update first. Okay, and then try sudo try sudo apt install Python 3 pip. This one, try this one. Okay, let me clear. Okay, so yes. Okay, so once this is installed now, we just go straight to install Ansible. And then clear. And then so basically what I did was I just updated. So this is what I basically did. I just sudo apt update, and then I did after I ran this command, then I ran this one, right? So I ran this one. So I think it's a good idea to always update your OS and all that. So then the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to install Ansible. So I'm going to use the Python 3. I'm going to use this command, Python 3, and manage to install Python package, try apt. Okay, so let me copy this again. Copy. Um, um, Use this install pbx. Okay. Um, so once that is done, then I'll come and then um, install pbx. Then we'll use this one there. Now install this pipx install Ansible. Okay, so it's installing it now. Installing it now. Okay, so we're just gonna pause the video. Okay, so Ansible has been installed, right? Ansible 11.1.0, right? And it says done. So now we can do Ansible, version, right? Says sudo app install. It says installed package stored using this. Okay, let me do sudo apt install, copy, paste. Oh, okay. Let's see. Hopefully after this, we have Ansible installed. Okay, so let's check now Ansible version. Okay, yeah. So Ansible is there now, is installed. So we see Ansible core 2.16.3. Right. So Ansible is currently there now because I did Ansible version and it brought it out. Okay. So we've been able to install Ansible on an EC2 instance that is running on AWS. Cool.